Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make unboxing of my new boots, but they are not new. They are of course pre-loved, but I found a DUNE boots, which I really love this brand because it was my first very expensive boots that I bought a really long time ago, and it was like £120. It was really like my weekly pay. It was a lot. I've got my coffee and I hope this unboxing won't be too long. I have to grab my scissors and we will open the box. I can't wait for it because it's gonna be a surprise for me too. Maybe first my outfit today, which is very simple, just the brown colors and kind of Georgina Rodriguez, the Cristiano Ronaldo wife shirt. It is very similar, and she wore also nice jeans and the red boots with it, but I don't want to make same outfit, so I would like to combine this outfit with the brown colors with my new brown Jean-Louis Cherret boots and brown leather shorts with the brown belt. So maybe too many brown colors or something, it is too much or not enough, I don't care. I really like this outfit, I really like my hair. Do you know, like at the beginning my hair was like a bit like too dark, and now with every wash my color it is better and better, and I really like it even more. So that means a really good hairdresser when you're washing your hair, and every time you're washing your hair you like your hair even more. I've got the parcel and we will open it. Definitely not this. I feel like a bit stressy always when I'm just buying things I'm not really sure about. They are brown again, and they've got like some leather, some suede, but they will be over knee for sure. The smell isn't bad, because sometimes, you know, we've got like cigarette smell and it isn't nice, but this time smell it is good. Oh. They are vintage and they are a bit dirty, but okay, I will try to clean it. They are size 39, they've got still a sticker, which means they are real leather. As you can see, there is a real leather. So we have the real leather over there, and the heel, it is really good condition, you know, like brand new. Like maybe there's a way I need to clean a little, and of course I'm not gonna wear these boots this way. They must be like that. I will take a brush and I will clean this suede leather for sure. Just they need a little love and they will be good. I'm sure will be good because my DUNE boots, they're also 39 size. What's happened with the sole? Why there is the DUNE logos here is like, and someone cut off inside. Can you see this? I have no idea why. Second boot will be exactly the same, just the left one. So they have a very pretty color. I really like this color. It's gonna be perfect for the autumn season, and I like this combination of the suede and the real leather. Just they could be this leather, but okay, I still like them. The heel, it is really, I really like the shape of the heel. It is so cool. Zip works, and the best thing is that they are real leather, and that makes me happy. This is a real suede, not like fabric, which is usually very thin and not really cool. So like I said, we have to clean them a little, maybe with the damp wipe and little brush. So this will bring back maybe not the shine, but the softness of the suede. So I've got another pair of the beautiful brown boots, and I'm afraid that they will be a bit oversized, but I can always make them trim. I've got boots from DUNE in the grey color, but I don't have them with me. So when I will back home, I will try to compare these boots. But I've got a feeling that they are very similar. Boots you will see on the side, like always. I'm trying to show you all details about. I think that they are really cool, and I will be wearing them with the jeans, with the brown outfits and the beige outfits, I think, because they really looks so good, and they are very thick. This is unusual thing. So they are like a double. So inside we've got suede leather, and outside we've got the suede leather. In my opinion, they are really good, nice condition, very vintage vibe boots, but still really cool with this color, and I really love the leather toe and the leather heel. That looks so good, and they could be all suede, but I think that this little accent, they just make these boots very unique, and I never seen anyone in the boots like this, and this is what I love to do. I'm always trying to search a very unique boots, something that not everyone is wearing. I like it. I really like it. Size 39, it is perfect, and I have to say that usually DUNE boots, they are true to size. So if you are looking for any DUNE boots, they have a really great flat boots. I've got very beautiful brown leather, very similar to this color, flat boots over knee. They are one of my favorites. I had to make them trim, but since this day, they fit me perfectly. I love them even more, and they are really one of the best boots for the autumn season, and they look really cool with any trousers. Maybe not, I don't really like wearing skirts and the flat boots, or dress and the flat boots. Depends, of course, from the style, but usually if I've got dress or skirt or shorts, I love to wear over-knee or knee-high boots. And sometimes it is hard to decide if I should wear over-knee boots or knee-high boots, because I love them both, and both styles, they are really, really cool. So these boots I will be wearing for sure with trousers, shorts, dress or skirt, no matter. And they are really, really cool. So yes, I can't wait for the more outfits over the autumn. Now it is definitely too hot today for boots like this to wear them over the day, because it is like 25 degrees. I am in Poznań. It is beautiful and sunny, and I hope that this day will be like that until evening. So yeah, that's it about these boots. I think, just in my opinion, they are maybe not 10 out of 10, but I will give them a strong 8. Really cool. At the end of my video, I would like to say a big thank you for the whole subscriptions. They are just growing, and I am so happy about. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please always watch until the end, because I've got always some news to tell you. For now, this is the unboxing of today, and I hope that you will like it. Next video we will make with the unboxing of the new boots, brand new boots, made to measure, that I've been waiting for them since April. So look how long, almost 5 months. It is a really long time, but I hope this will be worth it, this whole waiting. And for these boots, I am really happy, because I pay for them like less than 20 euro. It is a really great price for something like this, especially that they are very little wear. So no any damage, zip works, heels like new. They have some wear on the sole, just a little, and they are really great condition. They are nice, thick, really great boots, and they are DUNE. DUNE, you can buy these boots, and I'm pretty sure you will be happy because DUNE have a really wonderful quality with the boots. I've got the gray color of any boots that I'm getting so many compliments always about them, and also I've got the flat boots in the brown color, like I said, and I'm always getting the compliments, and they are like eye-catcher, really. They're just flat boots in the brown color, but somehow they just bring attention. I don't know why, so maybe you will tell me why. Okay, so that's it. I will finish my coffee finally, because it is probably cold. And please subscribe, please leave a comment, let me know what do you think about these boots. I would like to know, and see you soon in the next video. Bye!